Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. And for those who are new, I'm Preeti Yadav. I'm currently pursuing MBA from IIM Mumbai. And to others, thank you for watching my videos and your support. So in this video, I will be discussing a few things which everyone should know and take care of before entering any B school, and I think for that matter, any college. But mostly it will be about B schools because I'm studying in a B school, so yeah. And I know I'm very late to post this video, but trust me, I wanted to post this in the month of May, or maybe I think earlier I thought कि ये तो मैं अप्रैल में ही पोस्ट कर दूंगी, but I don't know what was there in my mind before internship. But yeah, after going there, I was in Bangalore for my internship, so obviously time नहीं मिला है. That is for another video, or maybe no video. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है ऐसा experience share करने की, but okay, forget it. So in this video I will be discussing about a few things which I thought I joined IIM Mumbai on 7th June last year, and after 1 or 2 months into the college मुझे लगा कि maybe if I knew all of this थोड़ा पहले तो I would have been better prepared for all of it. So I'll be sharing those things, and I have divided this video into two parts. First section would be academic related and other section would be non-acads, random things. So let's get started. So first and foremost, जिसके लिए हम सब B school जा रहे हैं, is definitely a good placement, and for that you need to have a good CV. So start preparing your CV even before you enter any B school. Like हमारे टाइम पे हमें I think 1 week before our induction we were told that you have to submit a master CV in this format. एक format हमारे साथ share कर दिया गया था. So what I did was, I mean, it was on a very short notice as usual, unrealistic deadlines. तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं था. जो भी पुराना CV कुछ था मेरे पास, मैंने उसी में 1-2 पॉइंट्स ऐड करके और वो सबमिट कर दिया था. एंड देन वंस यू गो इनटू कॉलेज, जब तक आपके सर पे कोई खड़ा नहीं होगा CV बनाने के लिए, आई मीन प्लेसमेंट कमेटी, आप बनाओगे नहीं. सो डोंट डू दैट. प्रिपेयर अ मास्टर CV. एकदम करेक्ट फॉर्मेट में होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. यूज़ ChatGPT. राइट डाउन ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट विच यू हैव डन टिल नाउ. जो भी कुछ किया है लाइफ में अब तक, बी इट एकेडमिक रिलेटेड, जॉब रिलेटेड, कुछ भी छोटा सा भी कुछ किया है, मेंशन इट देयर इन योर CV, डंप इट देयर. मास्टर CV फॉर मी इज लाइक जहाँ पे सब कुछ मैंने डाल दिया है एक साथ, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई कैन रिफाइन इट. So slowly and gradually it will become a better version of what I have done in my life. And also keep in mind that all these points that you are mentioning, आपको वो सब approve कराने होंगे. Like if you have said anything, you have done anything extra curricular activity, कोई event organize कराया है या webinar, so you need to have an approval by your teacher or prof या जो भी in charge था उस time पे. So be in touch with them so that sometimes you'll get, actually most of the times deadlines unrealistic होती है. So you will have to get those approvals. एकदम वो आपको बोलेंगे कि आज you need to get these approvals for all these points in your CV which you have mentioned, और कल आपको approval submit करना होगा. So if you're not in touch with your teachers or anyone जिनका approval लग रहा है, so please do that and put everything in your CV. जो भी कराया अब तक सब डाल दो. कॉलेज जाने के बाद you'll get enough time to refine it. And second point, second thing which I was clueless was about the job roles. Although I knew I'm from a civil background, so operations supply chain would be a best fit for me. But somewhere in my mind I also had consulting. कि it's सुनने में लगता है बहुत ही अच्छा सा, सबका I think सबको ही लगता है कि consulting तो एक बार जाना ही है. But वहाँ पे जाने के बाद I realized कि नहीं जाना है मुझे, तो नहीं जाना. It's not something I will enjoy. ये मुझे अब भी लगता है, but let's see after I get into the corporate world क्या होता है. So you should have a knowledge of all the job roles that your college offers so that you can prepare your CV accordingly. कुछ keywords आपको include करने होंगे CV में so that you get that short list. So to know that, to have that clarity, read or know more about the job roles that your college offers. And third is case comps, which I was totally clueless. Like कुछ भी नहीं पता था मुझे होता क्या है case comps. So enough groups थे तब, but when they started talking about like case com, ये वाला case com, वो वाला case com, some of the students would be like very 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 hyperactive. उनको सब पता होता है, उनको सब कुछ करना होता है. So I was very scared कि ये किन लोगों के साथ जा रही हूँ मैं, I can't do it. So in fact there was one girl in our batch जो इंडक्शन स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही उसने कोई केस कॉम में पार्ट लिया था. If you're joining IIM Mumbai, you will get to know her very well, and she was placed even before our study groups were formed. So it's very important to know how CaseCom works. होते क्या है, what is their format, how to apply to them, how to apply to the CaseComs, and it's basically like companies will share their problem statement with you, and you have to submit a solution in some format, maybe PPTs or video formats, and then there will be rounds. If you get selected, you clear one round, you'll be proceeded to the next round. So I think case comps are really important, and it will really help you boost your confidence. If you don't win it, it will help you boost your confidence. And some of us, many from our batch got good placements even before SIP started through these case comps. So keep an eye for case comps and be prepared. Make your CV well. Start preparing your CV, know about the job roles that you are interested in or might be interested in, study about them. And I think colleges share brochures prior to the induction about like the interest groups. I remember marketing and finance and everything was shared with us. So go through it, and or maybe not that, you can search it on YouTube or somewhere. Just know what job roles are there in the market and what will suit you. And fourth is definitely PPT, Excel, Power BI and all of those things, because you think कि तुम्हें आता है ये सब, which is very good, but once you go there you'll come to know कि it's not sufficient, it's never sufficient. It's like कि जितना भी सीख लो उतना कम है. So I would say have your hands on PPT, Excel, Power BI and all sort of these tools, because there would be time like initially 2-3 महीने जो होते हैं स्कूल के, they are very hectic. इतना सब कुछ नया होता है, it's very overwhelming to adjust, and in those like 2-3 months there will be time पूरा कैंपस केस फॉर्म्स वगैरह कर रहा होगा, असाइनमेंट्स होंगे, and there will be lots and lots of PPTs to submit, even for your assignments, even for these case forms, and एक साथ सबकी डेडलाइंस आ जाएगी. You will see everyone ऐसे पूरी रात सुबह के 3-4 बजे तक सब जग रहे हैं, सब PPTs बना रहे हैं. So if you are really hands on PPT or Excel or any sort of thing, so it will be really helpful, because आपको लगता है कि आपको अभी आ रहा है, but at that time you'll get to know कि it's taking too much time, और इतना time नहीं लगना चाहिए. It saves time if you have hands on these experience on these tools. And the thing I would say is like all the IIMs follow trimester system, so it's very hectic. मुझे तो बहुत ही, मैं जाने से पहले ही मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी कि how am I gonna give like इतने सारे एग्जाम्स इतने शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में. आपका मिड टर्म के पेपर्स भी नहीं मिले होते हैं, एंड यू विल गेट द टाइम टेबल फॉर योर एंड टर्म. And now in IIM Mumbai also we have those surprise tests and quizzes have started. So it will be like हर week आप एग्जाम ही दे रहे हो. So be prepared, mentally prepared for it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए you feel like oh god ये तो नहीं हो पा रहा है. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप बहुत pressurized feel कर रहे हो, because this is the environment you signed up for. And it will be overwhelming, but in the time of stress or demotivated feel कर रहे हो, this is the only line which we use, which is relative grading है. आपको नहीं आ रहा है, किसी को नहीं आ रहा है, so in the end it's all relative grading, तो थोड़ा बहुत सही हो जाएगा. But grades are important also, because if you don't get a PPO, तो final placement में आपको CV में आपके grades दिखाने होंगे. So I think to maintain something 8 and above, it's important. So don't get stressed about exams or all of this. Even if you don't know, it's the way you present your answers in the answer sheet. So just know that, and have good good knowledge of all the subjects prior to coming to college. I mean, it sounds too much जितना भी मैं बोल रही हूँ, but जितना हो रहा है उतना करो, otherwise you will be there, अपने आप हो जाएगा. It will be difficult, but with time you'll get used to it. So these were the 4-5 things in the academic area which I thought people should know, be it CV, be it the job role you want to pursue, or the case comms, or one thing I forgot to mention is for engineers, थोड़ा बहुत accounting finance सीख लेना अगर नहीं आता है तो, because these non-engineers, please don't get offended, इन्होंने पढ़ा होता है finance accounting. So your teachers and everyone will think like आधा क्लास तो आंसर कर रहा है तो दूसरे आधे को भी समझ आ रहा होगा, विच इज़ नॉट द केस. नहीं आता है समझ में क्लास में. सो थोड़ा बहुत अकाउंटिंग फाइनेंस अगर पढ़ सकते हो तो पढ़ लेना, बिकॉज फॉर नॉन इंजीनियर्स इट्स ईजी, बिकॉज उन्होंने पढ़ा होता है, उन्होंने इको भी कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होता है, मार्केटिंग भी कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होता है. तो आई फील, दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन, कि नॉन इंजीनियर्स के लिए थोड़ा बहुत अकेट्स ईजी हो जाता है, बट दे फेस डिफिकल्टी इन ऑपरेशंस और सप्लाई चेन, इन सब में थोड़ा बहुत. बट आई थिंक फॉर बोथ इंजीनियर्स एंड नॉन इंजीनियर्स जो सब्जेक्ट्स थोड़े न्यू हैं उनका थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज होना विल बी हेल्पफुल. Now, if we talk about non-academic part या extracurricular या random things, and first thing first, and especially for girls, don't overpack. मैं पता नहीं क्या सोच के गई थी. I thought बिल्कुल टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा. मैं ही भूल गई थी कि मैं मुंबई जा रही हूँ, which is very like I'm from जयपुर, तो इतना दूर नहीं है. बट आई पैक लाइक फॉर होल 1 year. मैं सब कुछ मतलब इतना सारा सामान लेके गई थी. एंड ऑब्वियसली फ्लाइट से जा रहे थे तो इतना अलाउड नहीं था. एयरपोर्ट से लगेज वापस घर भेजना पड़ा. सो आई वुड से इफ़ यू आर लाइक लगेज इज एक्सीडिंग तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है एयरपोर्ट पे एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देने के. कुरियर करा लो अपना सामान अलग से, पहले ही कार्टन बॉक्स में बंद कर जाओ, मतलब आई मीन कार्टन बॉक्स में पैक कर जाओ और फिर कुरियर करा लेना. बट देयर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ पैकिंग एक्स्ट्रा स्टफ. फॉर फॉर्मल्स आई थिंक 2 ट्राउजर्स एंड 4-5 शर्ट्स आर मोर देन इनफ. एंड एक ब्लेजर तो ऑब्वियसली होगा ही. सी विच कलर, आई मीन आई थिंक देयर इज कलर कोड फॉर मुंबई, इट्स ब्लैक, तो एक ब्लैक ब्लेजर भी होगा. एंड 1 pair of formal shoes, because there is no sense of overpacking. There are I mean, as it goes with every girl, there are things which there are clothes which we haven't worn till now, तो वो बस unnecessarily जगह ही ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं रूम में. एंड योर हॉस्टल रूम्स विल बी वेरी tiny, so you will need to use organizers and stuffs and those foldable racks and everything to organize your stuff. So initially already you will have a lot of burden of academics and placements and everything. So I think less packing would be beneficial, because that won't occupy your mind कि मुझे I'm someone who likes her stuff organized. तो जब तक वो organized नहीं होता है मैं कुछ और नहीं कर पाती हूँ. So I am very, you know, I don't know, I have that I have to keep my stuff organized. So वहाँ पे टाइम और एनर्जी वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Keep your stuff एकदम organized, but थोड़ा कम stuff लेके जाओगे तो थोड़ा helpful हो जाएगा. Second is friendships, peer pressure and relationships. So if I would say कि don't be in a hurry to declare like friends forever in the first few weeks. Give yourself some time, know those people, because starting में सभी अच्छे लगेंगे, but with time and with different situations you will be put into, you will realize who are your true friends, who are not. And it's very rare to find good friends in B school, or I would say any college, because it's important to be on the same page, on the same frequency with that person. तो हर कोई आपका friend नहीं होगा. You will feel like, oh my god, this is my friend, this is the friendship I was waiting for, but ऐसा नहीं होगा. So take your time, and I would say go with an open mindset, because I have seen people, they'll ask, oh what was your percentile क्या था, what is your degree, what is your background, and they'll judge you कि oh ये background है, ये percentile है. Because CAT percentile doesn't matter once you get into the college, because you know exams are really unpredictable. Maybe that person was going through something in her personal life, or maybe something happened that was not her day or something, and इतना अच्छा percentile नहीं था. But still now, since you are in the same campus, same college, don't judge people based on their percentiles, because I have seen, and their degrees, I have seen people which you know earlier ऐसा लगता था कि not so intelligent or something, but then they have turned out to be very I would say intelligent, or a person with very high IQ. So I would say just go with an open mindset. So yeah, 1-2 parcel actually. जब से मैं आई हूँ I'm just ordering stuff यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे. So yeah, where was I? Friendships, yeah. So you'll see a lot of people जो आपको स्टार्टिंग में you might misjudge them. So I would say just avoid this judgment and all of that, and be open-minded and explore like which group suits you. There would be people जिनके साथ you'll be able to study better, but there would be a different set of people जिनके साथ you'll be able to enjoy more in terms of you know party and other stuff. So yeah. And relationships, so you all know it is your personal choice. You will सबने सुना है what is the status like scene of dating in B schools. So if you're okay with it, I would say just don't rush into anything, be it friendship or relationships. Give it time, and then because you'll be investing your time and energy, and at this point in your career I think you should think before doing any of such things. Then there are clubs and committees. So thankfully in IIM Mumbai, it's not like you get into the college and as soon as you go there आपके ऊपर सब कुछ ही डाल दिया जा रहा है. प्लेसमेंट्स का भी प्रेशर है, कमिटी सिलेक्शन, अनरियलिस्टिक डेडलाइंस उन सिलेक्शंस के लिए. सो इट्स नॉट द केस हियर. हमारे यहाँ पे कमिटी सिलेक्शंस आई थिंक स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर द SIP विच इज़ इन सितंबर. हमारे टाइम पे इट वॉज इन सितंबर, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इस साल भी वही होगा. So after that SIP, I'm sorry, committee selection starts. So in that, just see whichever interest aligns with you. उसके auditions देना है. There would be several rounds. So, and if you are going to some other college too, just see if it's like really important, because for other IIMs, which what I have heard is as soon as you go there, तभी committee selection start हो जाते हैं. And there are very very unrealistic deadlines. आपको अभी 6 और 7 PM को बोलेंगे and then they'll say कि 6 AM तक ये टास्क सबमिट करना है. So just think about it whether you really want this. Mostly सब लोग CV pointer के लिए क्लब्स और कमिटी में जा रहे हैं. तो just see if you really that pointer, what's called POR इतना इफेक्टिव होगा आपके CV के लिए या नहीं, because you will have to put in lot of time and energy. तो just think before applying to it. And if it's after placement, then you have ample of time. Just see and explore कि आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या नहीं लग रहा है. And what other things like mess food, yeah. Be prepared for very 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 tasty mess food. So no matter which college you go, mess का खाना ही रहेगा. And if you're coming to IIM Mumbai, be prepared for the rain, because मैंने इतनी बारिश कभी नहीं देखी थी. I'm from जयपुर राजस्थान. मेरी लाइफ की पूरी क्यूमुलेटिव बारिश मैंने इन 2-3 मंथ्स में देखी थी मुंबई में. सो इट वुड बी लाइक वेरी इरिटेटिंग वेदर एंड ऑल. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. रेनी सीजन के लिए कपड़े सूखेंगे नहीं एंड हेयर विल बी फ्रिजी एंड वॉट नॉट. सो दीज आर ऑल अदर स्टफ्स which are a part of campus life, whichever campus you go. But I think apart from all of this, money is something you should keep in mind, because I have culture of party and everything. So आए दिन वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ party extra curricular होता रहेगा. And for us, like we are in IIM Mumbai, so we have access to everything. हमारे आसपास सब कुछ हो रहा है वहाँ पे. कैफेज हैं, क्लब्स हैं, कॉन्सर्ट्स वगैरह होते रहते हैं. सो कीप योर बजट इन माइंड एंड स्पेंड अकॉर्डिंगली. अदरवाइज आपका स्प्लिट वाइज पे बैलेंस इतना बढ़ता जाएगा कि क्लियर करना वुड बी अ टास्क. एंड ओवरऑल आई वुड से दैट एवरीथिंग विल बी वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग, बट बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. एंड इफ यू कम विद अ माइंड सेट दैट whatever comes, I'll take it. And there would be days जब आपको लगेगा कि oh God, it's not my cup of tea, मुझे नहीं करना है, it's not happening. Placements में भी थोड़ा stress होगा. And you'll see people around you will come from various good backgrounds, like they have excelled in their life at some or the other point. So don't compare yourself with other people. Like it's very easy. इतना competitive environment होता है. There would be people who will be very good at everything. Trust me, there are people, they'll study, हर क्लास में वो पढ़ के आएंगे, सारे क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन में मार्क्स लेके जाएंगे वो लोग. बट जस्ट डोंट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ. सबका अपना डिफरेंट पाथ होता है, सबका अपना पेस होता है. सो फाइंड योर ओन पेस, फाइंड योर ओन पाथ and just focus on yourself. Enjoy the process, but focus on yourself, because try to get a good SIP, try to build your skills, because that is what B School mainly is for. So try doing that, and rest of it is just a part of this journey. So I hope you will enjoy it, and good luck for your upcoming sessions. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, any questions, please comment below. And I'm also on Instagram and LinkedIn, so do follow me there too. Thank you.